there's a spider over there on the thingy, and I'm scared, and she's gonna kill it with this pad. But that key will, I mean, you're gonna get bitten. Pull my penny out.
I don't know why.
Oh my god, don't let it get inside.
I want to get it with the sticky side. That one.
Okay, wrap it up and then throw it out the window.
They'll be like, what is this? Open it up. Ah, spider.
Are you really gonna throw it out?
No? Do you want me to?
No. I'm gonna be
Littering.
like, yeah, littering.
Look, I just like threw your penny out. Like, I don't even know. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's like these. It needs something like right here. Like right there.
It's still playing.
It is? Oh. It won't stay there.
You should like hang it on here.